Hi, Chelsea Franklin, head of the Franklin Team Remax Alliance. I'm coming to you because it is fall, and I've got 7 tips to help you winterize your home and get ready for these cooler Colorado Rocky Mountain months. So the first one is check all of your windows and your doors to make sure that you aren't experiencing any excess drafts. If you are, my recommendation would be to just head down to your favorite hardware store. I like to go to Home Depot and just explain to them where you're feeling drafts come from, because then they can help you with a threshold or something. But check for drafts. Second, inspect your roof. Make sure that the roofs are good, the shingles are in place. See if you can just do any eyeballing on that front. And then clean out your gutters of all debris, because the more it sits there, the more it will start to just build up over time, and it could cause your gutters to fall and backflow. And really, you just want water always moving away from your house. So don't do anything to help keep a trench in your roof. Keep it flowing. Third is to trim your trees and clean up your shrubs. You're especially going to be happy that you do that in the springtime when all your perennials start to grow back, but trim those back. Number 4, replace the batteries in your smoke detector and CO2 detector. Now, a lot of us have hardwired CO2 and smoke detector combos in our properties, but the battery's there for backup. So should anything go wrong, you lose electricity, you really want to make sure that you've got battery backups working in full force. Number 4, clean up your patio. Make sure, because a lot of snow sitting on your cushions, your pillows, your patio furniture can damage it. So by cleaning it up, covering it up, moving things into storage, you can increase the lifespan of your outdoor furniture. Number 5, might be on 6 now. Drain your water hose, turn off the exterior faucets, and blow out your sprinkler systems. Again, if you fail to do it, that could just lead to pipes bursting. It could lead to you having to replace an entire sprinkler system. So if we can avoid spending more money over time, why not just go ahead and do that? And finally, number 7, check on your furnace, HVAC systems, and then go ahead and replace your air filters. You're supposed to do that twice a year. But now, as we're heading into the colder months, go ahead and replace your filters. But Chelsea Franklin, head of the Franklin team, if I can do anything to help you, please reach out. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.